If you've ever played Angry Birds, or Words with Friends, or Farmville, you might have some sympathy for Diane Edwards of Red Lion, Pennsylvania. She plays Farmville on her laptop up to 8 hours a day.
It gets addicting. I don't know why. I'm 51, and what am I doing sitting here playing a Farmville game?
She spends up to $200 a month on her Farmville habit. She can't help it. She's hooked. Dr. Timothy Fong of UCLA says he sees patients just like her every day.
The average age of our patient is about 40. We've seen housewives, we've seen doctors, we've seen lawyers. The stereotype of the, quote, video game addict is a teenage kid in his underwear. That's not what's happening out there.
The American Psychiatric Association has so far declined to recognize video game addiction as a diagnosis. But the American Psychological Association lists video game psychologist as a hot career because the gaming industry is hiring psychologists as consultants to make their games more enticing. Ariella Lehrer, a trained psychologist, designs games for middle-aged women.
Our most popular title is a game called Murder, She Wrote.
The content, romance and mystery, but the psychology, pure Las Vegas.
I think there's a lot to learn from Las Vegas.
For instance, intermittent rewards.
The rewards, the money in the cash drawer, don't come every single time. We learned this with rats, with the food pedal press.
Some games even follow a 6-second rule. Every 6 seconds, a visual sparkle to entice you to keep playing.
Potency, if you will, of these video games are much, much more intense, more rewarding, more engaging than video games were 30 years ago.
Which makes them a lot more fun unless...
Do you want 60? Do you want 100?
You get
500?
hooked. David Wright, ABC News,
Select
Los
what you want to
Angeles.
buy.